Another part was the protection of envoys. He said every envoy, every ambassador, every messenger is protected from arrest, from torture, and from killing. And if you kill one of ours, we will wipe you out. And in 1240, that was the destruction of Kyiv. I mean, this is after Genghis Khan already. There's Aguday Khan, his son, the happy drunk. Aguday Khan's army had come there under Subadai, the greatest general in the history of the world, I would say. Subadai, a person who's not Subadai, was Genghis Khan, who was for the military part. He was the greatest strategist for organizing everything together. But the military part was Subadai. So Subadai had been there, and they sent in an ambassador who happened to be a woman. Now, some of the Western sources say a daughter of Genghis Khan. I have no evidence of that, and I don't quite believe it, but maybe she was kin to him or something. Some say she was a daughter of Genghis Khan. Others say she was a witch. The people of Kyiv decided she was a witch and killed her. Okay, that's it. That's it. Kyiv was destroyed for killing a Mongol envoy.
The envoy is a method of communication.
Yes.
In diplomacy.
Yes.
And so if you destroy that method of communication or disrespect it in any way.
Exactly.
And that sends a signal to everybody else.
Yes.
You send an envoy, you respect it.
That's why these plans of it, I say that the making of the modern world, but most of the ideas we accept the idea, we don't do the practice. All of us accept today diplomatic freedom. Diplomats are killed around the world yearly. We accept the idea of female equality and emancipation of every way, but in fact, they're enslaved in many parts of the world today. We accept the idea of religious freedom. Oh, but not those people. Theirs isn't good. Their religion isn't right. But our religion, we will tolerate them, but they got to be more like no. We only say these things, but the world still hasn't achieved some, and he did achieve these within his empire in his time. He achieved those.